Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a menu in WordPress. Creating a navigation menu is essential for helping visitors easily find their way around your website, and WordPress makes this process straightforward and intuitive. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to your WordPress website's admin dashboard. You'll need to log in using your credentials to access the back end of your site. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard where all your website management tools are located. Now look at the left sidebar of your WordPress dashboard and locate the option labeled Appearance. Hover over it, and a submenu will appear with several options. From this submenu, click on Menus. This section is specifically designed for creating and managing navigation menus for your site, giving you complete control over how visitors navigate through your content. Once you're in the Menus section, you'll notice an option that says Create a New Menu. Click on it to begin building your navigation structure. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your menu. Choose something descriptive that helps you identify its purpose, especially if you plan to create multiple menus later. For example, you might call it Main Menu or Primary Navigation. After entering your menu name, click the Create Menu button to proceed. At this point, your menu exists, but it's empty. You'll need to add pages, posts, custom links, or categories to populate it. On the left side of the screen, you'll see boxes with options like pages, posts, and custom links. Select the items you want to include in your menu by checking the boxes next to them, then click Add to Menu. These items will now appear in your menu structure on the right side of the screen, where you can drag and drop them to arrange their order or create drop-down submenus by indenting items slightly to the right. Before you finish, make sure to assign your menu to a location on your website. Scroll down to the Menu Settings section and check the box next to your desired location, such as Primary Menu or Header Menu. This tells WordPress where to display your navigation. Finally, click the Save Menu button to ensure all your changes are applied. And there you have it. You've successfully added a navigation menu to your WordPress website. Your menu will now appear in the location you selected, making it easy for visitors to explore your content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.